Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S5 screen flickering. Basically this thing happens when your brightness is quite low, about this much. You may notice my phone is flickering a little bit. You can see now, I hope so. To fix this issue, if you increase this brightness it will fix, but for temporary period. So to fix this you need to go to settings, then you need to look for developer options. If this is not enabled on your device you need to enable it. So go to about device first, then scroll down, scroll, then build number, you need to click it 7 or 8 times continuously, so it will enable developer options. So like this, so you can see my one is already enabled. So once it enabled, go back, then go to developer options, then scroll down, don't click on anything else, keep going. Then you need to look for disable hardware overlays, so you need to check this box. So once this is done, your phone won't be flickering again. So if I reduce my brightness, it stays no flickering at all. No flickering. Even I put my brightness quite low. So hope you guys like this video. Thank you.